Hey guys, the meteorologist Chris Tomer. Let's talk some mountain weather, and it's all about this Arctic front that's moving up from the deep south through the Midwest and then eventually the Northeast. But it's warm out ahead of this thing. We're seeing some rain, snow, ice mix here. This is Killington. They're reporting 30s at the base with some rain showers potentially mixing with some other winter types of precipitation. But eventually, what will happen is the cold front will come through, the temperatures will fall, and all of this will turn over to heavy snow in Killington. And this is the view up in Sunday River, and they're also reporting like 34 to 37 degrees at the base and some on and off rain showers. But again, all of these temperatures will fall, and this will become a heavy snow event for a lot of the Northeast. I'll show you my numbers coming up. Let me show you the setup for this. So, big dip in the jet with this Arctic front basically coming out of the west, and it's supporting this, and it's going to take it right into the Northeast. So the Arctic front is sitting basically right about here, and it's making its way up into the Northeast. So colder air will be moving in and changing all of this precip, most of it, over to snow as the cold air filters in. Behind it, there's not a whole lot going on. It's just cold across Colorado. We had an absolutely spectacular ski day today in New Mexico with all that new snow. Notice a little bit of action right here. There's a fast front that's going to move in this weekend and cross Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, and drop a few inches of snow because of the flow. It's just so fast with the jet coming out of the northwest. So let me show you what the GFS is thinking about all of this. Here it is. This is the 12Z run right here. Watch all the precip headed into the Northeast. Watch it turn over from ice and rain over to snow. Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. So this is Friday morning right here. Right there, early morning on Friday, and then sort of towards the lunch hour, and then it fades out by Friday night, Saturday morning. A lot of the snow has moved out, but it should be spectacular skiing. Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine on Saturday. Even tomorrow, Friday into Saturday. If you want to storm ski, you can ski tomorrow. If you want the sort of the clearing effect, the blue skies coming out on Saturday. So there's that fast front. You see it. Look back to the northwest, Pacific Northwest, Montana, Idaho, and Wyoming. You see that low racing across the border? It's going to drag a quick front through those areas on Friday into Saturday, and then that front kind of races to the south Saturday into Sunday through Colorado. Drag some clouds through there, but it kind of washes out. All right, so here's Monday morning. This is the 7th of February. We're back to giant high pressure across the west, anchored right over Idaho and Wyoming. Here's Tuesday morning. It's more of the same. I mean, there just really isn't much of anything. Tiny front right there, Tuesday night, Wednesday, rolls through Wyoming. It is so small, and I'm just going to fast forward this. You can see the west is just dominated by high pressure now. This is the 12th. Coming into the 11th and 12th, there's a front that comes down through Montana, Wyoming, and into Colorado, but it is minor. And then it's out of here, and it's back to high pressure. Look at that 1040 high, and now we're at the 14th. And then finally something by the 15th. So 14th, 15th, 16th, there's a front, some sort of a lower front that races down through Montana, Idaho, and Wyoming, Colorado, Utah. But folks, that is a long way out. All right, here are my totals, all of today through the 12th. And notice, it's just meager, minimal amounts of snow in Colorado, in parts of Wyoming, in Montana, in Idaho. These are just light snow amounts all the way through the 12th. Again, I really don't see a bigger pattern change until 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 in that period. And that's way down the road at this point. So even the Pacific Northwest, 1 to 2 feet, yeah, that's really no big deal for the Pacific Northwest. In BC and the Banff, 4 to 10 inches during that entire period. Let's look at the Northeast. So once we get the changeover, I'm expecting big totals. This is where to ski. Storm skiing Friday, and then clearing with powder, obviously left over on Saturday with these types of numbers. Hit Killington, hit Okemo, Sugarbush, Mad River, Stowe, Jay Peak for 1 to 2 feet. Same up there at Mount Washington, Ragged, Cranmore, Sunday River, and Sugarlow. And the reason the numbers drop off so fast towards Mount Snow, Catamount, Wachusett in parts of Massachusetts is because of the mix. It's going to mix longer and it will turn over later, and that's going to cut down on the accumulations. So again, I go back to the west. Again, this reaches all the way out to the 12th for the west. Minimal amounts of snow, big high pressure California, Nevada, Utah, unfortunately, and look for a pattern change after that, but that's so far out. And this is the place to be right here, Friday, Saturday in the Northeast. All right, thank you for tuning in here. Take care and have a great day.